Applies premium eye hole transfer foil, and on this design I'm gonna do just the French looks, and then also you can do it diagonals if you don't want French. It just really depends on your clients. So I'm go ahead and draw like have a V shape first, and then go in right in middle and fill it in. And keep in mind, you do not have to go really perfect French like a smile line, because we are going to like have draw the outline for it using the light art gels illuminating. It's perfect for the holiday. Now you can see it looks shiny now. Looks
much easier to see this
really cool. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so do kill this for 30 seconds, and I'm gonna do the next one, same thing. And if you want to see that we had the videos with the like diagonals, like angles, if you decide to do an angle instead of smile like a French look. So on this designs I'm gonna do a French. And you can also adjusting with your clients. If you have a clients have a shorter length of the nails, you can do a shorter. Let me see. How does that looks? Try. It looks like it's shiny on this.
It does. That could be your design right there. So instead of the premium eye hole transfer forward, just do French tip on with your no white top coat. And here.
And then one matte and one shiny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you don't have to be really perfect, because we're gonna line it up and then kind of outline. All right, so clear this one in 30 seconds as well. So now, in the meantime, we are going, so this is really cool. I'm using from box 87, just in case you are just tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Accessories and such. So in this one, you can do however, should we doing like half of the heart, or should we doing like with no heart at all?
You can do a half heart.
It looks like it's a Valentine.
Oh, like just, yeah, so the heart at the bottom right there, that should be good. Like almost full heart, but yeah, it's good.
So I'm gonna give it a really quick, and then I can see the little bit of bubble here. No problem. You just make sure you rub it really well. And on the edges, it's already like release the image out off on. Oh, nice.
And don't worry too much about the smile line, because you will go over that with a gel painting.
I'm gonna get it really a good rub there, and then slowly remove it. If you feel like it get a little bit bubbles, make sure you press it down, lay it back up, and then you can chamfer it again. Cool. All right, I'm gonna do a next one, because I didn't do like perfect smile line, because I'm gonna do the line on that one. So let's do the moving on to the next one. Again, give it a good rub. If you have the, I'm looking for my tweezer. Did you see it somewhere? Give it a good rub. Oh, right here, I got it. I found it. Just my fingers, a little bit of slippery. And then now we're gonna check. Looks cool. It transfers all the image for you. It's only transfer to where you apply your premium eye hole transfer foil. Cool, I like it. You You want to look at this? It transfers pretty much 99% of a lot of.
What else?
Okay.